Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can leave a group chat on Instagram, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to leave a group chat on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, I want you to tap the chats icon at the top right corner in order to open your Instagram chat section. And once you're on your Instagram chat section, you will now be able to see all the people and groups you've chatted with on Instagram, so just find the group chat you want to leave from. So let's say that you want to leave this Instagram group chat for example, so to do that, just go and tap it. And then just tap the group name at the top. And after that, you will now be able to see the leave option right here, so just tap it to completely leave the group chat. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully left the group chat on Instagram. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.